Hi, I'm Prof. Gary, your business English teacher from South Africa. I have extensive business experience as an executive, a consultant, and a coach. Over the past 20 years, I've been teaching hundreds of managers, entrepreneurs, and students. I speak business fluently. I always adapt my lessons to fit your interests and your goals. I spend up to 10 hours per day on the internet teaching students, researching new topics, and creating new lessons. The topics of my lessons are quite diverse and covers things like meetings, business networking, project management, and even Bitcoin. Now I'm looking forward to teaching you to improve your business English so that you may get that promotion you always wanted, or to apply for a position at an international company. So if you want to excel in business English, then I am your ideal teacher. Catch you online. Thank you.